After the flood took my family and home, I was left wild in my sorrows and all alone. Tender arms I once knew could not console me ever again. Someone tell me this isn't happening. After the flood, a preacher came, speaking of salvation. He prayed inside the wreckage of my home and blessed the foundation. He took me down to the river to pray. I cut his throat and watched his body float away. I taste the steel of a broken mind and crack a smile. Two snakes are slowly braiding with my tongue and feeding me alive. My jaw hinges with a snap, and I try to choke it down. If blood is iron, lies are gold, but silver lining cannot be found. After the flood took my family and home, I was left wild in my sorrow and all alone. Tender arms I once knew could not console me ever again. Someone tell me this isn't happening.